Unlock seamless global connectivity for your next adventure without the hassle of physical SIM cards. Let's dive into getting your Airalo eSIM. First, head over to the Airalo website or download their user-friendly app. It's incredibly straightforward to find exactly what you need by simply searching for your destination, whether it's France, Japan, or anywhere in between. Once you've chosen your destination, you'll see a selection of eSIM plans tailored to that region. Browse through the options to select the data amount and validity period that best suits your travel needs. Look for competitive prices and generous data allowances. Why Airalo often shines here. After selecting your ideal plan, proceed to checkout. You'll be prompted to enter some basic contact information, and then it's time to make your purchase. Airalo accepts a wide range of payment methods, making it convenient for most travelers. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive your eSIM details. This usually involves either a QR code you'll scan with your phone or manual installation details provided directly in the app or email. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Now, let's install it on your smartphone. Go to your cellular settings, look for an option to add cellular plan or add eSIM. You'll typically have the choice to scan a QR code or enter the activation details manually. If you received a QR code, simply scan it using your phone's camera. Your phone will then guide you through adding the new plan. You can often label your Airalo eSIM like travel data to easily distinguish it from your primary SIM. After installation, ensure your new Airalo eSIM is toggled on and set as your primary data source for your trip. You should see the new network name appear in your status bar, indicating a successful connection. And just like that, you're connected. Airalo eSIMs offer an incredibly affordable and convenient way to stay connected while traveling, making it a must-know for any international globetrotter seeking budget-friendly data. Safe travels.